this video, I'm going to show 3 different ways how you can insert the points stored as coordinate in your Excel file into the AutoCAD. Let's start with the first way, which is very easy. It doesn't require any other software except Excel and the AutoCAD. Here you can see I have a list of coordinates X, Y and Z stored as an example that I'm going to show you. Now in this box I have X and my Y coordinate in a separate cell. Now the first step would be storing this X and Y in a single cell and comma between them in a format X, Y. So you can do this by 2 ways. You can use AND operator or you can use a concatenate formula. So in order to use the concatenate formula, type in the concatenate formula, select the cell, then insert a comma as a character in between this, then select y coordinate. So you select the X coordinate, insert comma as a character in between them, and you select Y coordinate. In order to use AND operator, you use this formula. You first select the X coordinate cell, insert AND, and then insert comma as character, then again insert AND, and then insert the Y coordinate cell. So in this way, after you have done this, you have to use PO as a point command in front of each coordinates. Then you copy this cell and go to AutoCAD. In the command section, you paste your copied value and you press enter. Then the point would be imported. As you can see, my points are imported in the AutoCAD. Now if you want to change the style of the point, you can change this point style and select any of this style from here. I'm selecting this. I'm setting my units to 0.5. Okay. Now if I zoom in, you can see that my points are imported, but there are no labels beside them. So if you want to even import the label beside your point, you are going to have to use another application which is free, and I'm giving the link to download the application in my description. The application that you are gonna need in order to import the point by this second way will be SWDTM. It is a free application, so you have to open your AutoCAD and SWDTM at the same time. So let me delete these points, go to the Excel, and in order to use this application to import your point, your arrangement of the coordinates and label must be as shown in the screen right now. So there should be X, Y and Z followed by the label that you want to insert beside your point. So select this entire range. Now go to AutoCAD, go to SWDTM, go to this points option, and you can see there is another option, import point from Excel. So select the required value for your point label, and then you can just import these points. Okay, you can see that my points are imported on the Excel. If I zoom in, you can see beside each points there is a label also inserted, and you can see the label is in green color and the serial number of the point will be in blue color, and in a magenta color, in a somewhat pink type of color, there is another value which is 0. So this value is our elevation value. Right now every elevation on my coordinate was set to 0, so it is 0 in every point. So if you want to insert your elevation value, if you have your elevation value on your data, you can have your elevation value beside your point as shown in the screen. So now another third way to insert the point. It is probably the most tedious way of doing this, but anyway I'm gonna show you. So in order to do that, you have to use the script file and run the script file on the AutoCAD. So before doing that, you have to store your points on a certain format as shown on the screen. So we are going to use concatenate formula, and we're gonna have this point as a command in the AutoCAD, and this point is going to be inserted as a character, and at the end of the point there need to be space. Then there should be x coordinate followed by comma as character, y coordinate followed by comma as character, and z coordinate. After inserting this x, y, and z coordinate, you have to insert a space as a character, then again text as a character. At the end of the text there must be a single space. Then again similarly your x coordinate followed by comma as character, y coordinate followed by comma as coordinate, character, and z coordinate. Again at the end of this you are gonna have to insert a single space, and then I'm gonna have to set this 0.4, which is my text height. Then again there is a single space as a character. Then this 0 value refers to my alignment of the text, which is 0 degree. So my text is gonna be at 0 degree, and again there is gonna be space as a character. Then at the end you are gonna have to specify the cell that contain your label that you want beside your point, and end it by again a single space as a character. So you have to select all these and then copy this, go to your notepad, open a new file, paste the value, and save this as a script file. So I'm gonna use my name as a traverse 1. I'm gonna save my document type as in script file. Okay, so after you have done, you have to type your command SCR on AutoCAD, which is a script command. Then go to this AutoCAD script. This was my traverse one, was my script file. After you run your script file, you can see that the points are imported, and also the label beside the points are imported. So yeah, this is 3 different ways to import the points on AutoCAD. Hope it helped you. Thank you.